Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. On this video we have a 2008 Ford Crown Victoria P71 package that is now ready to be sold. This car is a gem. It's absolutely beautiful. Let me show you everything on the car, and I just can't wait. But it's an '08 with about 88,569 miles with 1,650 idle hours. So again guys, that is 1,650 idle hours. Okay, so this vehicle is now ready to be sold. All the information on the vehicle will be on the description, and also you can visit our website at drivecarsmart.com and see more pictures of the vehicle, and there's a way to contact us there, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, so here we go guys. 08 P71. Here we go. So we have our Go Rhino front push bumper. Obviously we're gonna have our Goodyear RSA Eagle tires, 235 55 17. Okay, I'm gonna pause it for a minute. We have the some sirens in the back. All right, so here we go. You have your Unity spotlights. Okay, both spotlights are fully functional. Okay, beautiful silver exterior of the vehicle, exterior color. The antennas are for display only and are not connected. Goodyear RSA tire. I believe this car might be flex fuel. Let's find out. It is flex fuel, 85 ethanol. Again, antennas are for display only. They are not connected. Little damage here. Alright, so now let's show you the inside of the vehicle. Driver's door. Ballistics panel are only on the front two doors. Okay, this vehicle is not equipped with a radio. All right, let's go to the back seat. Well, here's your back door. go ahead and pop the trunk. 1 second. We have a nice police trunk tray or trunk pack here. Beautiful. All right, let's close this up. All right, so now let's go to your passenger side rear door. Oops, sorry. Door. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay. Front passenger door. It's a little heavier, obviously, because of the ballistics panels. Okay. Perfect. So now let me show you the odometer idle hours. 1 second. Okay, so 1650 on the idle, 88,568 on the miles. Okay. So there you go, guys, a 2008 P71 Police Interceptor package that is now ready to be sold. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at 909-457-5500. We're more than happy to help you out. Remember, all of our cars do come with a 3-month or 3,000 mile limited powertrain service contract, engine, transmission differentials. Okay, so again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're more than happy to help you out. And consider subscribing, consider hitting the like button, as we do have 7 more Interceptors coming in the next few days. So they're actually detailing another one as we speak, and so once it's ready to go, you guys are gonna fall in love with it too. So I can't wait to show you guys that one as well. Okay, guys, well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a beautiful rest of the day. Thank you.